Today's the day I finally got Today's the day I finally got the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Adventure Bundle. A birthday gift from me to me. I've been wanting to get back into vlogging, and I think this camera might help me to actually create more videos. So in today's video, we're going to unbox, check out the accessories I got, and doing some first impressions and real world vlog testing. So let's get into it. A lot of you know I'm trying to take YouTube more seriously now, documenting travels, life at 25, and everything in between. For months, I've been debating what camera to get, but I ended up with the Action 5 Pro mainly because of D-Log-M, the new stabilization, and honestly, I just want something small that makes filming easy. Plus, I learned my lesson in Hong Kong earlier this year. I should have documented everything. Now, I won't miss another moment. Okay, so a lot of you might think, why didn't I just get the newest model or the Action 6? Now here are my reasons. Number 1, the price. I got the bundle on sale for $21,524. Plus, I added extra warranty for $1,507. That's a total of around $23,000-ish. Meanwhile, the Adventure Combo for Action 6, today, December 1, 2025, is going for about $28,490, and that's quite a jump. For me, the difference is significant. The other reason is the upgrade isn't necessarily what I need. I mostly shoot outdoors in daylight or in well-lit settings, such as travel vlogs, adventures, day trips. Low light or night shooting is rare, so I don't need a variable aperture or bigger sensor. Also, I'm mostly aiming for YouTube style horizontal video. And lastly, for my budget and current usage, the 5 Pro Adventure Bundle gives me a great value. Let's set this up. I'm using the SanDisk Extreme Pro because some SD cards just don't play well with high bitrate action cams, and I don't want corrupted footage ruining my shots. If you're a beginner or someone who's figuring out life at 25 like me, this camera makes filming effortless. It's simple, small, and honestly inspiring to use. Expect more travel videos, more behind the scenes, and maybe even everyday life vlogs. This is going to be part of the journey. So if you enjoyed this unboxing and real world test, leave a like and subscribe if you want to join me as I build my YouTube journey. Again, this is by Louie saying, here's to learning, trying, and starting again. See you on my next vlog.